In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay for a Western Union transfer online, whether you're sending money to family, paying for a service, or handling other financial transactions. Western Union makes it straightforward. Let's break down the process step by step to ensure you know exactly what to do. Firstly, you'll want to begin by navigating to the Western Union website, which can be accessed from any device connected to the internet. This simple step is crucial as it serves as the gateway for your online transaction. Next, you'll need to either log in or sign up if you're new to Western Union. If you haven't created an account yet, the sign up process is quick and easy, requiring some basic information to get you started. Once you're logged in, the next move is to click or tap on Send Money. This option is typically found on the home page and will direct you to the main transaction page where most of the action happens. Western Union is known for providing a user-friendly interface, but if you encounter any confusion, just look out for the prominent Send Money option. After selecting Send Money, you'll be prompted to choose your payment method. This decision is important as it can affect the speed, cost, and convenience of your transaction. You have several options here. Using a debit or credit card is fast and convenient, though you should be aware that this can sometimes incur higher fees or limits. Alternatively, you may opt for a bank account transfer, which generally offers lower fees but may take between 1 to 3 business days to process. Then there's Apple Pay or Google Pay, both providing an easy way to pay directly from your phone, although they are available only in selected countries. Lastly, you might consider starting the transaction online and paying in cash at a physical store location if that's more convenient or needed for your specific situation. Once you've selected your preferred payment method, the next step is entering the receiver's details. Accuracy is key here. Double check the spelling of names and confirm the correct address details. Accurate information will reduce potential delays and ensure the money reaches the correct recipient without issues. Finally, you'll move on to the payment and receipt step. The website will guide you through entering your payment details and confirming the transaction. After the payment is successfully made, Western Union will provide you with a receipt for your records. Make sure to save or print this receipt as proof of your transaction and for future reference in case any issues arise. And there you have it, a quick and simple guide to paying for a Western Union transfer online. By following these steps, you can ensure a smooth and efficient transaction every time. Thank you for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tips and guides.